Hello, Pestilence here. And you may recognize this, or you may not. This was the PYES Patent padlock that I had several, well, maybe about 6 videos ago, around there. Still has some spring in it. And it's got that strange keyway. And it has up here, it has PYES Patent, and it has the patent dates on there. This is an iron padlock. So, I did mention that maybe I didn't mention, I don't know. Mentioning it now though, that they also have a brass version of this, which is why I'm doing this video. Here is the brass version. And it has all the same information on there. Only this doesn't seem to have any spring in it, but it is closed. I do not have any keys for this, unfortunately. It also has some information stamped in the shackle up here. But as you can see, this is all brass. Once again, that same type of keyway. So here we have the larger iron padlock and the smaller brass version. Okay. There we go. Thanks for watching. Take care. Excuse me. Stay legal. Bye.